Hello again, legends. Time for us to do August. So, as you guys probably know, I don't really, if you've been watching any of my videos, I try not to enter exactly at like London session start time. Normally I get wigged out on my zones. So let's do some analysis and let's, obviously with the losing month, I really want to look at my analysis and see what's going on. So I'm going to look at the daily. So look at the daily. We've got a daily breaker structure here. So I'm expecting price on the daily to be bullish. This looks like as the daily swing structure is now doing like a pullback up to more premium prices on the daily, probably up to around here or here or maybe here before continuing on down. That's my assumption. So that's why I believe the 4 hour is actually bullish. Looking at the 4 hour, we've got some structure here. And we've got another bit of structure here. So overall we're looking bullish. This is a 4 hour zone here. So I'm expecting price from this point to move up. Looking at the 15-minute, which is probably the most important in terms of my trading, price has now changed the internal structure to bullish. So looking at the swing, we're bullish. Looking at this, we're bullish. This is like the unmitigated extreme that hit there at exactly 5 p.m. Well, roughly. So now obviously looking for a trade. Where can I trade from? This extreme's been taken. So I just have to be patient and see if a new zone's been created or if that zone's been broken through. Okay. Okay, that's created a new structure for us. So that's the unmitigated extreme from here. This is the next zone as well. Bit more ballsy as it's broken the structure up here. So that's like a phase A2 trade, right? But yeah, we'll go from there. So no fake break liquidation. Nothing yet. And it's outside of our time zone. So let's continue. Go 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour is now swept a low down to here. Chances are it could be bullish, but overall it looks like the zones have failed. Like all those 4 hour demands are now mitigated. So I'm expecting the price to maybe just continue on down. We've got this 4 hour supply up here. On the 15-minute, what do we have? We've got this zone here that was mitigated. Get rid of that. This zone here is the unmitigated extreme. So now it's hit into our unmitigated extreme on the 15-minute. This is our new structure. So yeah, I'm looking for sells. With looking at the sell, there's definitely like fake break liquidations in here. There's definitely above here there was a bunch of liquidity all just sitting here. Money sitting there. Trying to find the money symbol, but anyway. Never mind. Sweet. So yeah, money sitting there. I think this is a high probable zone for me. It's phase B, but it's high probability for me. Well, medium probability because it is a phase B trade, but it's unmitigated extreme, right? I am expecting. Okay, that's my zone. Bang, 4.1, I'll go 4.6. 3 to 1. Go on, baby. Don't fail me now. No! Okay, let's look at this trade. Still at the unmitigated extreme of the POI. It's completed a fake break liquidation at the POI. It's now shooting bearish again. I'm happy to take another entry. Go go 7 pips. And another loss. So, yeah, I'm normally finding with my backtesting every time when I see like a fake break liquidation occur, and then it loses, and then I re-enter, and then it loses again. Normally I find one trade per night is normally the go. Yeah, so we will go to I'll log all this. So another 2 losses, which sucks. We'll go 4th August. $17.35. It's good timing. But it's just, yeah, 4.1. I'll just go 0 and then a 1.8 to 1, so that was 8.1 pips. And then same thing here. 6.6. $18.20. So let's look at why this lost, right? This is the swing structure. This is unmitigated extreme. You created LC2A entry. It's the right time. Like, I can't really be mad. I just can't. So I'll just have to let it go. And start thinking in terms of bullish terms as soon as it. Or wait for the break of structure down. So now it's breaking down, but it's outside of our time zone now, and this is like the zone I'll be looking to sell from. Alright, sweet. So we've got a new internal range. This is like my little internal range that I'm estimating for price to react from. Looks like price has just done that. Yeah, I guess when price breaks this high up here, I'll be looking for a buy from like a zone down here, right? But we'll look at the daily and we'll look at the 4-hour. So looking at the daily, okay, it looks like it's still doing its swing pullback up to these higher value ranges. On the 4-hour, it looks like we're now phase A, where price is just continuing to pump up, which is what we were expecting on the swing structure. 15-minute, yeah, sweet. So looking for buys for sure. Okay, it's hitting our zone. Great, it's done a fake break liquidation, 100%. We're looking for a buy. So let's buy. Um, 10.5 pip candle kind of sucks. 11 pips. 3-1. Let's hope some smaller candles produce. I'll just let it run. You know, it could either just pump down or pump up, either one. Bang. Yeah, unfortunate. So it's been a pretty unlucky month. We'll go 5th of August. 18.15. So I guess we've got to question our zone, right? Yeah, just unfortunate. Instrumental setup, all that. So that's good. It's good while we risk like just 1%. Let's go 11 pips. 0. 1 to 1. It's 10.5. Okay, that's Tokyo session. This is beautiful price action. I love seeing this shit. We'll go. So okay, we just took like 3 losses in a row. We just need 1 win and make it all back, right? So let's just have a good attitude, be happy about it. We got this zone here. Now we've got this zone here. Beautiful buying zone. Just need to have a good attitude. Need to accept that you're gonna have losing weeks. It's hitting our zone. Fantastic. Has it created a fake break liquidation? Yes, it has. Perfect entry candle right here. Let's go. So there seems to be a lot of entries in this month, which is good. So 4.4 go 4.9, 3 to 1, bang. Place order. Oh no. Didn't even work us in, but that's still a loss. That should have counted as a loss, but anyway. Yeah, so this would have been the candle here. We would have got wicked out for a loss. And then as price dumped down, wick us out. Then we'd be waiting for this zone to fail, and then the next zone, or we wait for another fake break liquidation. We haven't gotten one yet. Yeah, okay, so again we weren't wrong. We just got wicked out, and that was it. I'm gonna count that as a loss anyway. So I'm gonna log that. 4.9. Yeah, go so 4.4. We'll count it as like a win, but we'll just imagine like how much extra we need on the stop loss. 5.3. And then how far did it run? Go next session. Yeah, so it would have ran, like if we had an extra 5.3 stop loss on that, for example, it would still run 4 to 1. You know what I mean? Like 39.3. Date is 8th of August 2022. Time is 1910. I think it's phase C, yep. Yeah. So was there any other trades here? No, not really, not for what we were doing. Yep, next. Okay. So this is our internal range. Price is now mitigated this zone here. And it looks like it's holding, right? It looks like it's holding, so actually it doesn't look like it's actually hit it. And I've noticed too with my backtesting, once this is zone and it's your refined zone, you've got to now stick to that refined zone as like being the most probable. For me, that looks mitigated, so I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to wait for a price to come down here. or to break this high. Oh. Okay, that's not fair. Come on. Maybe the price action on this particular chart might have been off or something like that. Yeah, that sucks. It would have hit our zone perfectly. Just swept this liquidity, just didn't hit our zone, and then that would have been our entry right here. Very unfortunate. But we must continue on. We must have a good attitude about it. Just trust the strategies, trust the plan when we're in drawdown. Yep, next night. Okay. So this is like the range that I might work with. That and that. 15-minute. What are the zones between here? Probably that one as well. So this is where I'd be looking to buy. In terms of selling, like you could say that this could be like a break of an like a smaller internal range. And that overall the best zone to be selling from would be the extreme. Or something here. Maybe. But I guess since you're saying it's bullish, like it could be here, you know, as a zone. Yeah, it didn't work out. Next session. Okay, so the extreme did hold during New York. So that's leading me more reasons to believe that we're going to be looking for sells. I'm not really seeing anything I want to play with right now. Like you could say that this is a selling zone. I'm not really liking how it's reacting to this here. 'Cause, you know, oh, actually it's broken through that. I'm fine until it hits this zone here. Have we got a sell here? Yes, we do. We've got a fake break liquidation right here, breaking this high. So we've got a sell that's already set up. We can take that sell on here. We'll go 4 to 1. I mean 4.4, so we'll go 4.9. 3 to 1. Take the sell. Boom, finally a win. Fuck's sake. Finally! Let's get back to 50% win rate. So we got 1935. 1935. We're getting a lot of entries. 12th of August. 22. London. LC2A. Okay. Medium face. So go 4.4. Be 0.1 of a 4.4, but it would be like 0.1 of a pip above. And then max. Okay, next session. Oh, beautiful. So that would have ran 64.7 pips. Like 13R. Go 15-minute. Okay, beautiful. So for me, this is super clear price action right here. If I get another win, I've probably made back all my losses that I previously would have gotten. Alright, let's go. So for me, I've got this zone here, unmitigated extreme, and then I've got this zone here, which I feel like is an inducement for that zone, but we'll see how we go. Okay, price is dumping, so for me, this is becoming more high probability to just look for a zone that's closer. Yeah, never mind, next session. Okay, next zone would be this for sure, 100%. Okay, let's hit into our zone. Do we have a fake break liquidation within here? No, we do not. Here's one right here. So that gives us an opportunity if it clicks there and then goes back up again. Bang, okay, if it goes back up again, we can look for a sell. No. Okay, next zone. Nothing, next session. Okay, beautiful. This, to me, this is now showing bullish intent. I'd normally go something like this, in terms of like 15-minute. It's built up all this liquidity here, which means it's probably going to be a move upwards. That's my guess. In terms of zones, we've got this one. This is lower probability, but I might take a buy from here. Okay, that's looking really good. Never mind. There was a zone here that you could have taken a sell from, but for me it wasn't. I needed something down here. Never mind. Go next. Okay, beautiful. So look, during New York or whatever, or London lull, it hit our zone perfectly. So now that's been mitigated. Now I'm expecting with this price breaking that high. Oh, didn't actually close above, but so this would be that. All this has been mitigated. So I guess sells are in order unless it hits this zone down here. But it's made a new high right here. So technically, this would be the low. So technically, this low should hold, technically. I'm just hoping it breaks this high here so it gives me more reason to enter a trade. Yeah, that's our zone. I'm happy with that. Okay, now we've either got this zone here or that zone there. Do we have a fake break liquidation within that? Yes, we do. This is like, I've got to go back. I've got to watch each candle. So what I mean about during live sessions, you'll actually notice you'll get a lot more trades. So it's now created a candle that didn't break the previous low. So now with that breaking the previous low, we wait. If this, okay, now this candle broke the previous low. Now this is the little high, and this is the low. Price is now smashed through that, creating a fake break liquidation. And now price hits our zone, so now we can look for a buy. We'll go 0.5 pips, so that would be 5.2, and then we'll go for 3 for 1. Do we trust the zone bot? Yeah, we do, because this is like the chain of mitigations, with this being like the low, this is like the swing high, price going upwards. This loses, so what? We're testing our edge. Yes, I'm trying to get better at testing my skill, but I'm also refining my edge and making sure that my edge actually works. Okay, cool. So, as you can see already, we're at now back to 32%. So, yeah, we copped a whole bunch of losses early August, late July, and that's when you can start to think that your edge is not going to play out anymore. But then, yeah, then all of a sudden you get a win, and you're sweet. You know, you're set. So we'll go next session. Perfect. C3 to 1. Beautiful. 18.8. So let's log that. So what date was this? 18th of August 2045. 18/08/22. 1845. Euro USD LC2A medium face C. I'll go 4.7 0, and then it ran 18.8. Yeah, beautiful. So we made back our profit plus more. So that's really good. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Again, this will be like video 1 of 2 for August. Let's look at the results, eh? So looking at the results, if we go to analytics, mind you, there was one trade there that we actually missed, and that was actually a loss. So really it would be like 31%. But so far for August, we're up, yeah, because we 0% in July, and then we lost a whole bunch early August, and then we made back an extra 2%, or like 1%. So yeah, so not the best, but we got a couple of wins there, and we've caught our way back up. So that's really good. Sweet. So I'll see you guys on the next video. And again, proving to myself on these nights where I've taken 2 losses, it's way more common for me to take 2 losses in one night than to lose one and then win one. So it's leading me to believe to remove that 2-loss rule out of my thing and just go, okay, if I've lost once for the night, then that's it. But thanks guys, I'll see you on the next video.